In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Task Tracker in Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, what you want to do is you want to go into your Task Tracker. And to do that, you want to go to the left-hand side on your navigation menu, and you want to select the page in which has the Task Tracker. For me, it is within my tasks page, and if I actually scroll down, you will see that I have a task tracker. Now I've actually created a sample database for you to copy. In a task tracker, it's important to have the task name, the assignee, the status, priority level, the due date, as well as an added property for notes. I added the assignee within the first part of the page so that whenever they go into the task tracker itself, they will actually see who is the assignee without actually going to the last part of the column. Now within this task tracker, let's add a person, a task name. Let's just say create a page. Let's add a status as a blank, the priority level. We can add an option for high priority, a due date, as well as a part for them to add notes. So on this task tracker here, we could actually do a few things. It's either we could add new tasks as well as link specific tasks in here into the task tracker itself. To do that, we can actually go to the last column of the task tracker itself and add a property for relation. Within the relation property, make sure that this is actually connected to the tasks itself and make sure it is a two-way relation. And then we can add a related property to relation, so that whenever we have tasks in here, and let's say we want to do the make a website related to this person in here, we can do is add the tasks itself, and then we want to make a page into a specific task. What we can also do is edit the view. We could add another view within these task tracker just so that it will make or it will look very more professional. And to do that, you want to hover into the title, and beside it, you will see a plus button to add a new view. Be sure to click on that, and then we can actually select either we want to do a board, gallery, list, chart, timeline, or feed. What's actually nice is to add a board view itself so that it would look like a Kanban view. And that's about it. That's how to use Task Tracker in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.